Simple equation. How do we find or how do we solve this simple equation? We are told to find the value of x and y. So this is x minus y equals 3, and the second equation is x squared minus y squared equals to 39. So we are going to utilize these two equations. Let's call this equation 1 and this equation 2. From equation 2, we have x squared minus y squared equals 39. But recall that x squared minus y squared is the difference of two squares, so we can rewrite it as s minus y times s plus y, which equals 39. From equation 1, we have that s minus y equals 3. So we are going to substitute 3 here. So we have 3 times s plus y equals 39. Because s minus y equals 3. That's why we replace it with 3 here. So now, we divide both sides by 3. We are going to have s plus y equals 39 over 3. In which we have s plus y to be equals 13. Now, let's call this equation 3. We are now going to consider both equation 3 and 1. So, let's write it here. We have equation 1 to be s minus y equals 3. This is equation 1. Using this method, we add these two equations together. So we have 2x, s plus s, we have 2s plus positive y minus y, we have 0. So 13 plus 3, we have 16. So when we divide both sides by 2, we are going to obtain 8. So our x equals to y, which is the value of x. Now to find the value of y, we can either use this equation or this equation. So let's use equation 1. Since s equals to 8, using 1, we have s minus y to be equals 3. So s minus y equals 3. Our s is 8, so we have 8 minus y equals 3. When this guy goes to the right side, we have positive y. And when this 3 comes to the left side, we have 8 minus 3. In which we have 5 equals y. Therefore, y equals 5. Thus, s equals 8 and y equals 5. So these are the values of s and y that we are told to find. How do we check if what we have done is right or wrong? We obtain x to be 8. So we are going to plug in 8 here to this equation 1. So we have 8 and our y to be equals 5. So we have 8 minus 5, which is equals to 3. That means equation 1 is satisfied. Let's check for equation 2. Our x is 8. So 8 squared is simply 64. And y is 5, which is minus 5 squared, that is negative 25. So when we subtract this guy, 64 minus 25, we have 39. That means what we have done is absolutely correct. Thanks for watching. If this video has been helpful to you, consider to subscribe.